If your Google Chrome homepage keeps opening MSN, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove MSN from Chrome and get your browser back to the page you actually want. This is a quick and easy fix, and it only takes a few minutes. We'll go step by step through your startup settings, your home button settings, and your extensions, because sometimes MSN gets set as a homepage through Chrome settings, and other times it comes from an unwanted extension. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots menu. This opens the main Chrome menu. From there, click Settings. This takes you into Chrome settings page, where we can change the options that control what opens when Chrome starts, what your home button does, and whether any extensions are affecting your browser. Now on the left-hand side, click on Startup. This section controls what Chrome opens every time you launch the browser. If MSN is showing up when Chrome starts, this is one of the first places you want to check. Here, select Open the New Tab page if you want Chrome to open normally every time. You can also choose Open a specific page or set of pages if you want Chrome to open a custom website each time it starts. If you see MSN.com listed under Open a specific page, that means Chrome is currently set to open MSN on startup. To remove it, click the three vertical dots next to msn.com and then click Remove. This instantly deletes MSN from the startup list, so it won't load automatically when you open Chrome again. If you want, you can replace it with your preferred homepage, like Google, YouTube, or any other website you use often. Next, let's check your home button settings. Sometimes, people click the home icon at the top of Chrome and it sends them straight to MSN, even if startup settings are already fixed. To change that, stay in Settings and click Appearance in the left sidebar. Here, make sure the Show Home button toggle is turned on if you want the home button visible. Once the home button is enabled, look at the options below it. If Chrome is set to open MSN when you click Home, change that setting to New Tab page or enter your preferred homepage URL manually. For example, you can type https www.google.com if you want Google to open instead. This step is important because it makes sure the home button takes you where you actually want to go, instead of sending you to MSN every time. Now, if MSN still keeps coming back, the next thing to check is Chrome extensions. Sometimes a browser extension can change your homepage, redirect your searches, or force certain websites to open automatically. To check that, go back into Settings and click Extensions on the left side. This will open the list of all extensions installed in your browser. Take a careful look through the list and watch for anything unfamiliar, suspicious, or related to MSN, Bing, search redirects, or homepage changes. If you see an extension you don't recognize and you don't remember installing it, it's a good idea to remove it. Click Remove next to any suspicious extension, then confirm that you want to delete it. In many cases, removing the bad extension will instantly stop MSN from taking over your Chrome homepage. After you've done all three steps, restart Chrome and test it. Close the browser completely, open it again, and see what loads. Chrome should now open to the New Tab page or your chosen homepage instead of MSN. If it still isn't fixed, you may also want to check for any managed browser settings, reset Chrome settings, or run a malware scan on your computer, because sometimes browser hijackers can make deeper changes. But in most cases, these three steps are enough to remove MSN from the Google Chrome homepage and restore normal browsing. So, to recap, change your startup settings, update your home button URL, and remove any suspicious extensions. That's the fastest way to take back control of Chrome. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy tech fixes just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.